Right. Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Everybody, can you hear me, right? Guys, can you hear me? Let me know, all of you. Can you hear me, right? Okay. So, guys, in the previous class, we discussed about control statements. In that one, we completed conditional statements, guys. Conditional statements. Okay. Now, the second part is iterative statements. Iterative statements, guys. Okay. Right. So, what is the meaning of iterative statements? Iterative statements. All of you observe here. See. Iterative statements. So iterative nothing but re-executing, guys. Iterative nothing but what here? Re-execute. Re-execute. Iterative nothing but re-execute. Re-executing nothing but what here? Loop, guys. Okay, loop. All of you. What you call it here? Loop. Okay, that's why iterative statements are also called what here? Looping statements, guys. Looping statements are simply loops also we call simply loops also. Okay, right. So here the statements which are used to re-execute the same code n number of times. All of you, the statements okay, so which are used to re-execute the same code, the same program, nothing but what here? Iterative statements. Simple, guys. For example, observe, I want display welcome to all of you, welcome to NTH. This one I want display, for example, 10 times, guys. I want display what? 10 times. Then generally what we do? Generally we display how individually we'll take which one? Observe here, print of. Okay, we take what here? Print of. So welcome to NTH. One time printing over. Again second time I want again what we do? Print of welcome to NTH. Two times over. For third time again we write here. Again we write which one here? Welcome to NTH. So like that, if you want display 10 times, so here I am writing how many times? I am writing 10 times. I am writing the same code, guys. The same program we are writing n number of times. Why? To display the output n number of times. Right? If you want display the same one 1000 times, I want display the same output 1000 times, then we have tried 1000 times manually, which is very lengthy process, which is very static. But what is the dynamic? Write only one time. This one write only one time. But output I want n number of times, maybe 5 times output, or 10 times output, 20 times, 1000 times, 1 lakh times also. But I want to write only one time only. Write only one time, but output getting n number of times. This is what dynamic, guys. Static means what here? Write n number of times, get output also n number of times. This is what static. It is called static. Okay, all of you are clear, right? So to re-execute means the same statement I re-execute. I don't rewrite, I re-execute, guys. See, difference is there. Rewrite and what here? Re-execute. right? Rewrite means what? Write the same statement a number of times. Re-execute means what here? Write one time, but execute it n number of times. Write one time, execute it n number of times. All of you, okay? Right. So for that, okay, we use what here? We use this looping statements, guys. Okay, looping statements, right? How many types of looping statements are there? All of you observe. Two types are there. One is for loop. The second one is what here? While loop, guys. For loop and while loop. Two types of looping statements. Generally in Python, in other languages we have do while, guys. Okay. In other languages we have do while, but in Python does not support do while loop. Only for loop and while loop only. While loop only, guys. All of you. For loop and while loop only. Okay, right. So first let's talk about the for loop, guys. What is first one? For loop. So for loop means, so this for loop also is used to re-execute the same code n number of times. To re-execute the same block n number of times. How many times? That is depending on the length of the Python object. Length of the Python object. Okay. See, for example, I'm taking the one list. I'm taking the list about 10, 20, 30. List has some elements. List has some elements. How many elements are there? It will mean how many elements are there here? 6 elements are there. Means what is the length of this list? 6, guys. Okay, length of list is what? 6. Now on this list, if you write the for loop, then for loop executes 6 times, guys. All of you. The number of iterations in for loop is depending on the length of Python object. It can be a string, a list, a tuple, or set, or dict, anyone, guys, anyone. All of you. Okay. Now let's observe here. In other languages, the for loop syntax is what? In other languages, in that bracket we give 3 arguments. Like one is called initialization, guys, initialization. Then what is the one? Condition, and then increment or decrement, guys, right? Decrement, and then we start the loop. This is what the syntax in other languages, guys. The syntax in other languages, and then close it. It is in other languages, C, C++, Java, like that. But in Python, very simple syntax. Very simple syntax. Observe here. For we take the I. We can take any variable, guys. For I, for A, for B, for X, for NTH, anyone, no problem. For I, then we give the object name. Object name is anyone data structure name. Okay, I am giving an object name. I am giving what? Object name. Okay, what is the object name here? LST. For I in LST. For I in LST. Now, first time I value what here? See, I, how many times iterates now? How many times iterates? 6 times. Why 6 times? Because you are writing the for loop on LST object. In LST, how many elements are there? 6 elements are there. Now, first time I value is the 10. First time I value 10. Second time I value 20. Third time I value 30. Next time I value 40. Next time I value 50. Next time I value 60. So how many times I taking the value? 6 times. Why? Because list has 6 values only. Each time it executes the block. Suppose I am taking here print of suppose allow nth. For example, guys, that's all. For loop over now. Now, guys, observe here. All of you can observe here. Right. What is the first time I value here? First time I value what? 10, right? 10, guys. First time I value 10. Start the block. In the block, only one statement is there. That is what? Hello nth. Now displays what? Hello nth display. Now the block over. Next, start the next loop, guys. Start the next loop. Now the first loop over, guys. First iteration over. First iteration over. Now second time. The second time I value is what? 20. Second time I value 20, right? 20. Now execute the block. Execute the block. What is the block here? What is the block? Same. Which one here? Hello nth. Now in the block only one statement is there, so block is over, right? Now start the new iteration. New iteration. Now two iterations over. Two iterations over. Then third iteration, what is the I value? What is the I value? Third iteration here, 30 is the I value. Again, execute the block. All of you. In the block, we can have one statement. We can have n number of statements, guys. N number of statements. Okay. Now, what is there here? In the block, hello nth, right? Again, executes what? Hello nth. Now, after block over, again, start the new iteration. Now, the loop over. Now, how many loops over here? 3 loops over, guys. It repeats 3 times. Now, next time I value what again? Next time I value 40. Next time I value 40. All of observe here. See, it takes only next value only every time. It takes only next value every time, guys. That's all. It will not take randomly. First to 10, next to 50, next to 30, next to 60, next to 40, 20. No. No random. It takes always a sequence from beginning to ending, guys. All of you. Okay. What's the I value now? 40. Now execute the block. Execute the block. Now block executed. What will print here? It will print hello nth. Hello nth. The block is over. The block is over. Again it go to where now? It go to next loop. Next time I value what again, guys? Observe here. Next time I value what? 60. 50, right? Next time I value 50. Now again execute the block. Execute the block here. What is there again? Hello nth. Hello nth. Yes. Now the block is over. Now go back here to start the new loop. What is the next I value here? 60. Next I value 60, guys. Okay. Next 60. Again start the block. Execute the block here. In the block, what is there again? Hello nth. Hello nth. That's all. Again, now the block is over. Start the new iteration. And going here. Now, any other I value is there? No. All values over. All values over. When all values over, automatically it terminates the loop, guys. The program is over. That's all. The loop is over. Now, this is the final output, guys. Now, if you observe here, I wrote only one time. Hello nth. But output came how many times? 6 times. Why 6 times? Because length of list is what here? 6 only. Every time one value coming. Hello, right? Write only one time. Write only one time, but execute n number of times. N number of times. Now, you may have a doubt here. What is the doubt? Sir, if I want display, for example, 100 times, right? I want display 100 times, at that time, do you take 100 elements, 100 elements are here? No need, guys. No need. Okay, there we use a range function, guys. What we use? Range function. We use the range function, guys. That I explain. After a few minutes, I explain how to use a range function. Okay, right. Now, the same thing I am taking from here, guys. I am taking from here. Now, I am going to open ideally, already opening over, right? Open the file. What's our file name? Like this. Now, guys, observe here. Now, all of observe here. Right. Now, run this program. You can see now how many times came here. 6 times. You can see the result, guys. How many times? 6 times. 6 times output came. All of you. Suppose if you have only 4, then how many times the loop repeats here? Loop repeats only 4 times, guys. It repeats only 4 times. Every time, what is the I value? First time I value 10. So hello nth. Suppose I want to display I value also. I value also. I am giving a I value also, guys, here. I am taking the F, right? I am taking the format. Every time displays I value also. See, hello NTH 10, hello NTH 20, next time 30, next time 40. All of you. So this is what how to write for loop on the list, guys. On the list. If you take the tuple also same format, right? If you take the tuple also, okay, same process, guys. Tuple also same, right? Tuple also same, no change, guys, right? Take the set. We take the set here. So if I take the set, guys, maybe order will change, but all four times iterating I see order changed, because we know that set does not follow proper order. Order will change. So order changed, guys. Okay. So I have shown you how to iterate list tuple set. Now let's take the string for example. I am taking the string. I take the string, suppose Narayana, guys. What is string Narayana? Now what is first time my value here? The first time my value is first character, because string is what? String is a collection of characters. Collection of characters. That's why first time my value what here? N. So hello NTH N. Next time my value what? A. Hello NTH A. Next time my value what here? R. Hello NTH R. Next time my value what here? A. Hello NTH A. Like that. It iterates 8 times, guys. You can see how many times iterating here? 8 times iterating. 8 times it iterates. All of you. So this is how to apply for loop on the string. Now the last one, dictionary is there, guys. Okay. Let us see how to work on the dictionary. How to work on the dictionary, guys. All of you. All of you. Okay. Dictionary. Right. Dictionary. Yes. Now, guys, observe. I take some employees here. I take some employees, guys. I take employee number. Let's take 1001. Then employee name. Let's take here. Suppose some name Narayana. Then some salary. Let's take here some 30,000. Okay. I'll take last one. Company. Which one here? Let's take TC. Yes, that's all. Right. Now for I in EMP. Right. Okay. Let me print only I, guys. Now, guys, tell me. My question is first time I value is the entire pair. Is it entire pair first time I value na? Entire pair or only first key na or only first value na? What is I value? I value will be entire pair, or I value will be only key, or I value will be only value. Tell me now. Every time I value is entire pair will come, or only key will come, or only value will come. Only value will come. Guys, reply now. What is the I value? What is I value? All of you. What is I value? Is it entire pair? My answer, my question is it entire pair? First time entire pair will come, or only key will come, or only value will come? Only value will come. We know, right? This is what pair. This is called what key. This is called what value, right? Value. Okay. Now tell me the answer here. First time my value, the entire pair will come, or only key will come, or only value will come? Only value will come, guys. All of you reply. What is first time my value? Everybody, guys, reply in the live. All of you, guys. Sudarshan, Rabi, Narayan, Jena. Everybody has to reply. What is first time I value? I value is entire pair, or only key, or only value? Or only value? All of you guys. Right. So The first time I value, we think that entire pair, right? Entire pair. No. In the dictionary, it takes I value only key. First time, first key. Second time, second key. Third time, third key. Fourth time, fourth key. It takes only keys, guys. It takes only keys. Observe now. E number, E name, salary, company. Only keys are fetching. Only keys are fetching. Guys, see. First time I value what now? I is what? E number, right? E number. Now we know dict name, we know key name. Then getting value is very easy. All of you, we know the dict name. We know dict name. We know the first time key ENO, second time key E name, third time key salary, right? Every time the key we know and dict we know, then getting value is very easy. How to get the value? Dict of key, right? Okay. So that is the key. That is the key. And I am giving EMP of I also, guys. EMP of I. EMP of I, right? First time I value what? ENO. So it displays ENO. ENO is what? ENO displays. Next one displays what here? EMP of ENO. EMP of ENO. EMP of ENO. What is the value? 1001. So it gives what here? It gives 1001. That is the first iteration over, guys. Second time I value what? Second time I value what here? E name, right? E name. Print of I means what here? E name, right? E name. And what is the EMP of E name? Narayana. That's all. Now third time I value what here? Third time I value is salary. Salary. What print of I means what here? Salary. I means salary. And EMP of I means what? Currently I value what? Salary. EMP of salary means what comes here? That value will come. What is the value? 30,000. What is the value? 30,000. Like that, the output will come, guys. In that way, the output will come. Let me run this one. We can see now. Right? So every time I value what here? Only key. Only key. If you want the value, then dict of key, guys. Dict of key. In the dictionary, I value every time is what? Key only. Only key is the I. If you want the value, then dict of I. Dict of I means what key? Dict of key means what? Corresponding value will come. Corresponding value will come. Right? So this is how, guys, we are going to apply for loop on Python objects. Python objects, a list, tuple, set, string, dict, right? Now, in the for loop, the main thing is what here? Range function. All of you, it is most important. By using Python, if you do any little lengthy, projects, compulsorily we use a range function, guys. What we use? Range. Okay, range function. Range function. Okay, right. Now, what is range function here? What is range function? Right, guys. Anyone knows about range function? Anyone, guys? Range function. Anyone knows about range function? If you know, just comment here, all of you. If you know what is range function and syntax of range function and the use of range function, guys, just comment in the below. So see, I'll tell you here. Range function is used to generate the range of values. To generate what? The range of values. To generate the range of values. Range means compulsorily one start number, one end number must be there, right? All of you. Range means what? Compulsorily some start, some end must be there for range. Suppose if I ask you, tell me the numbers between 10 to 20, we can say 10, 11, 12 up to you can say 20, right? I am giving this range, starting from 10 up to 20. Tell me numbers. You can say that numbers between this range. So what is important here? Start number, end number is important. Without giving these two numbers, if I say, tell me the range of numbers means you don't know where to start, you don't know where to end. Even though you know starting from 0 or 1, but don't know where to end. We don't know where to end. That's why compulsorily we have to specify start number. What is the start number? Start number. Then what is the end number? What is the end number? These two compulsorily we have to specify. All of you, right? Suppose I am giving a start number 10, end number something 20 guys, 20. Now tell me the numbers here, all of you. So I am giving start number 10, end number 20 I am giving, right? Then what numbers will generate here? Start 10. After 10, do you take 11 or do you take 12 or 13 or 14? All of you. Means what is the next step size? After 10, do you want to take plus 1 or do you want to take plus 2? 10 plus 2, 12. Do you want to take plus 3? 10 plus 3, 13. What is the step size? What is the step size? Like, do you want to take all even numbers? All of you. Like this. Or do you want to take sequence numbers like this and so on? Right? What is the step? Step means what? So I want all numbers separated by increment by 1, like 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 1 13, plus 1 4, like that, right? Okay, so that is what step size, guys, right? Step size we have to specify. The step size 1. That means what? First start number is what? 10. Increment the 1 means what? 11. Again increment 1 means what here? Means what? 12. Again increment 1, that means what? 13. Again increment 1. Always increment 1, guys. Always increment 1. 14 plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 18 plus 1, 19. And while discussing that indexing, slicing concepts, I told you very clearly in entire Python, if you say that anywhere end number, start number, end number, if you take any end number, we take the one value before value compulsorily. 20, but before value, what before value? 19. Up to 19 only. All of you. Every time end number means compulsory take the one left side value. End number, if I take 30, then it takes up to which number? Up to 29 only. If you take end number something 5, it takes up to which number? 4 only. End number, if I take 100, then it takes up to which number? Up to which number here? 99 only. All of you. Okay, right. That's why. So I have taken the 20, means up to which number? Up to 19 only. Right? So like this, we should give start number, end number, and then it's called step size, guys. Step size. All of you. Right? Next time, it will be answer. Okay, I am giving 5, and I am giving 14. Then I am giving the 1. Yes. Tell me now, what is the result, guys, here? What are the range of numbers? What are the numbers here between 10 to 14? Increment by 1. What is the result here? What is the result? All of you guys give reply. All of you. What is the answer here? Start from which number? 5, right? 5. Plus 1, 6. Plus 1, 7. Plus 1, 8. Plus 1, 9. Plus 1, 10. Plus 1, 11. Plus 1, 12. Plus 1, 13. Up to 13 only. Up to 13 only, guys. All of you. Up to 13 only. Okay. Suppose, sir, I am giving start number. I am giving n number, sir. But I forgot step size, sir. Then how? I am giving a start number, n number, and I forgot step size, sir. Then the default step size also plus 1 only, guys. If you don't give any step size, by default step size how much here? 1 only. What's the output here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's all. Up to 8 only. All of you. Okay. Suppose, sir, I am giving only one number, so that's all. I am giving only one number. If I give the only one number, that means is it a start number or is it a end number or is it a step size? Which number this one, sir? All of you. If you give only one number, then that is the end number compulsorily. End number only. If you give two numbers, guys, if you give two numbers, okay, if I give two numbers, then first number start number and second is what? End number. If you give three numbers, first number start number, second number end number, the third number is what? Step size, guys. Okay, step size. All of you guys, everybody is clear this one now, right? So now what is the n number giving? 10. So in this case, what are not there here? Step size is not there, plus start number is not there. Both are not there, right? Only n number is there, guys. Step is not there and start number is not there. What is default step size? 1, guys. 1. Here start is not there. What is the default start number? Is 0. The default start number is 0. All of you. What is default start number? The default start number is 0. And what n number is given here? 10. What default step size is here? 1. Okay. So then what is the answer here? Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all, guys. All of you. So what is the meaning here? I want to generate 10 numbers. 10 numbers. Yes, you can see it. 10 numbers came. Starting from 0 up to 9. How many numbers came? 10 numbers came, guys. 10 numbers came. All of you guys, let me know. Everybody guys, let me know. Is it clear? All of you. Right. So that is the which one, guys? Range of start number, comma end number, comma step size. Those are the 3 arguments in the range function. 3 arguments in the range function. So range of only one number means that is n number only. End number is mandatory. All of you. See, here n number is I'm talking about n number 20, n number 14, n number 9, n number 10, guys. Every time what is there compulsorily? N number is there. N number is mandatory. And if you see the start number 10 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there, and no start number. That is optional. If you don't have start number, what default start number here? 0. And next, step size. What step size is here? It can be 1, it can be 2, or any number. And here step is not there. Step is not there here. Here also step is not there. But default step size +1 always, guys. Increment by +1 like this. +1. Okay, right. So guys, let us try using the range function, guys. Let us try now using the range function. See, one program, guys, very important program, generally very small but important, guys. Here, what is that one means? Write a program to generate the numbers from 1 to 10. That's all, guys. I want generate the numbers, or I want print the numbers from 1 to 10. So I want 1 to 10 numbers display. In that case, what is the range? Tell me now. Range of. Tell me what numbers I should take inside the range. What is the start number? What is the n number? And then what is the step size I should take in the range function? Tell me, guys, all of you. All of you guys, let me know. what is the start number, what is the end number, what is the step size for this requirement in the range function. In the range function, guys, you reply. Right. So start number is what? 1. I want 10. If you want that 10, we should give the 11, right? So if you give the 11, it takes only before value. How much comes? 10 will come, right? 10 will come, guys. Okay. That's why I am giving the 11. And default step is what? 1, right? 1. Now for this one, the output will be which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, guys. This is the output. For this one, I take the for loop, for I in range of this one, guys. Okay, range, then print of I. Now, guys, observe here. So for this one, it will be replaced by what here? It will be replaced by this one, guys. This range, right? But first time my value, first value, right? First value, guys. So 1 will print. What next time my value? Next value. What next value? 2. So 2 will print. Next 3 will print. 4 up to last one, guys. What last one? 10, right? So displays 1 to 10. Displays what here? It generates what? 1 to 10 numbers. Right? Now for the same case, you tell me, guys, here I want generate the numbers from 10 to 1, guys. All of you. Tell me now, 10 to 1, guys. Write a program to generate the numbers from 10 to 1. 10 to 1, yes. Now all of you guys will reply now. What is that? 10 to 1. For 10 to 1, what is the range, guys, here? Range of you tell me now. I want to display the numbers 10 to 1, like 10, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. I want to display. For that, what is the range function? What is the range function, guys? Tell me now. Everybody, guys, go reply in the chat box. Comment box, go reply, everybody. So what is start now? Tell me here, guys. See, actually output display. Which one? Tell me. Output means 10, next 9, next 8, next 7, next 6, 5, all of you. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? This is the output, guys. Okay. So what start number is there? Tell me 10. That's why we take what here? We take the 10 start number. What is the end number here? 1. To get the 1, we should take next value, guys. Okay. If we take the next value 0, if we give the 0, it gives before 0. But before 0, 1, right? Previously also, I have given the 11. If you give the 11, the range function in number, if I give the 11, it takes before 11 up to 10. Here also, if I give the 0, it takes before 0, which one? 1. That's why I am taking what here? I am taking the 0. And every time here, see the value increasing, guys, right? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So, I given the plus 1. But in this case, value decreasing, right? So, 10 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So, what we give here? We give step size minus 1. Step minus 1. Then we take the for I in, that's all. Now, you can take print of I, you can see now 10 to 1 displaying, guys. 10 to 1 displaying. All of you, everybody, guys, give the comment. Is it clear now? Till now? All of you. Okay, right. Now I'll give one more requirement, guys. For that one, just to give the range of numbers, guys. Okay. Next one, write a program to generate the numbers from guys, observe now, -1 to -10, guys. That's all. I want display output -1 to -10. That means output is what? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. This is the output I want to display. Now give the range of start number, end number, step size, all of them. So when they ask like this, I want to 10 to 1 or -10 to -1 or -1 to -10. If they give the range, first of all, we have to imagine like this. Guys. Then you can easily give what start is there, what end is there, right? And then what is the increment. You can give very easily. So for few days, we have to imagine like this to get the clarity. Now, what is the range function here? Range of what is start number? Tell me here. Start number is what, guys, here? -1. That is -1. What is the end number? Tell me here. What is the end number, guys, here? What is the end number? We should give the next one, right? Okay. If I give -11, it takes one value before value. If I give the 0, it takes one value before value 1. If I give 11, it takes one value before value 10. That's why every time giving an extra value, guys, one other value giving, right? So which one are giving here? We are giving -11. Then what is step size now? Step size is it +1 or -1? All of you observe here. See, -1 plus -1, -2. -2 plus -1, -3. -3 plus -1, -4. Every time adding how much here? -1 is adding. Then for I in what here? Like this. Then print of what? Print of I. You can see now. -1 to -10, guys. -10, that's all. -1 to -10. All of you. Right? Now, again, guys, same reverse case. I want to display the numbers from -10 to -1, guys. -10 to -1. -10 to -1. Tell me here. I am giving -10. I am giving -1. What is the answer, guys, here? So means like starting what here? Starting -10, right? -10, -9, and so on. Last what here? -1. That's all, right? Last to -1. So then range of what start number? Tell me. -10. Then we take what? 0. Then how much increment here? -1, guys, right? Or +1? It's a +1, guys. Okay, +1. Why +1? Observe here. So this is -8, this is -7, this is -6, and so on. Okay, right. So we are going from which one? -10 to up to -1, guys. Okay, -1. -10 plus 1. -10 plus 1, how much here? -9 will come. -9 plus 1, how much will come? -8 will come. -8 plus 1 plus how much comes here? -7 will come. -7 plus 1, right? Plus 1, how much will come? -6 will come. -6 plus 1, how much will come here? -5 will come. Okay, that's why we take what? +1, guys, right? +1 for I in what? Range of. Then print of I. You can see now. -10 to -1. All of you. Okay, right. So like this, guys, we can use for loop, right? For loop. This is just the basic part of the for loop, guys. But guys, previously in an interview they asked, write a program, a simple program to display table as per as per user number. Right? Means what here? If user gives 5, I want display fifth table, guys. In school days we have mathematical tables, right? 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 2, 5 1 ja 1, 5 1 ja 10, 5 2 ja, right? 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. I want a mathematical table. Whatever number he gives, whatever number user gives, as per that number, I want to display a table, right? Table, guys. See, in the table for every line, one basic structure is there, guys, right? One basic structure is there for every line. What is the structure here? Let's take any table, guys. Maybe fifth table, 10 table. See, 10 into 1 equal to what? 10, right? 10 into 2 equal to what? 20. 10 into 3 equal to what? 30. So, and so on, right? And so on. What last one? 10 into 10 equal to 100, right? 100, guys. Now observe here. Now, guys, observe here. So, this is the, okay, any table, guys, same structure like this. Okay. Now, see, user is giving the 5. That means what? He want the fifth table, guys. Whatever number giving by user, that number assigned to n. That is the table number, okay? That is table number, guys. He is giving 5, display what? Fifth table. He is giving 6, display what? Sixth table. He is giving 10, display what? 10th table. 10th table, all of you. So, means what is common here? N. First what here? N, right? First n is there, guys. First n is there. N. And the into is fixed in all the lines, guys, right? Into is fixed, that's why taking the string. Into is fixed, guys, okay? Into is fixed, comma, I take the I. So just now you have seen, generate the numbers 1 to 10, right? 1, 2, 3, and so on, how much here? Up to 10. I value, guys, right? So I am taking the I 1 to 10, guys, I value, right? Next, equal to is fixed again. Equal to is fixed. Then what next one? N into I, guys, right? N into I. N into I. What does it mean here? What is the meaning of N into I? All of you observe here. I just decrease the font size here. Right. So first n displaying, guys, here. First n displaying, n means given number. Then star, that is fixed, guys. I am taking the string format fixed. Then I value, I take here range of 1 to 11, guys, okay. So that 1 to up to 10 will come. Then equal is fixed, string format. Then n into I. First time n value what? 10. I value what? 1. 10 into 1, 10, guys. Second time n value what? 10. I value what? 2. So 10 into this is I, guys, here. This is what? I, not 1. It is the I, n into I. Every time this n value, this I value multiplying here, that answer is coming. That answer is coming here, right? Okay. So this is what, guys, we write in the print function. Print function, okay. So how to make the print function, guys, observe now. All of you first take the user number. Enter any number, that number assigned to n. He is giving, for example, 5. He is giving what number? 5, okay. 5 is giving, guys. So what is any value now? 5. What is any value? 5, guys, okay. 5. Now for I in range of, in every table, the numbers from 1 to 10, right? It is fixed, guys. Generally, a table means what? 1 to 10 numbers, right? So I take here start number 1, end number 11, increment what? 1, right? Increment 1, guys. Now print of so first n value into I value equal to n into I value. First n value means table number, then I value, first time 1, second time 2, next time 3, like that. Here what now? N into I, let us try this one, guys. I am giving the fifth table. Yes, you can see now the table is ready. The table is ready, guys. That's all of you. All of you observe here. Give any number, guys. I am giving suppose 19th table. You can see the table is ready here, right? So every time, see how many times this will be better here. This will be better 10 times, guys. Okay, 10 times as per this range, 10 times. That's why every time. First time I value what 1, right? 1, guys. So n means what 5. N means what 5 into common. Then equal to n into I. N means what 5. I means what 1. N into I means what 5. 5 into 1 5. That's all. First loop over. Second time I value what 2. Right? Again same n is common. Then into 2 equal to n into I. N means what 5. I means what 2. Then what is the answer here? 10 like this. Like that, this print executes how many times? 10 times. Each time I value 1, 2, 3, 4, so on 10, guys. 10. And here multiplication, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on up to 50. So this is how, in a simple way, we can write the table, guys. Table. All of you guys, let me know. Everybody, is this clear? All of you guys. Right. So it is all about, guys, which loop? For loop. Okay. So this is all about the basics of for loop, guys. The real uses we see in the coming days. Right. And in the beginning I told you, right, I want display hello NTH suppose 100 times. Then how? Right. Simply I think now you can do very easily, guys. Right. Now understand very easily how to display 100 times. Simply for I in what? Range of I am giving the 100. That's all, guys. I want 100 times, so I give the 100. Then print of what I want display here. Welcome to NTH. Now range of 100 means what, guys? 100 means it is ending number, right? End number. What default start number? 0, right? Okay. So 0 to what last number? 100 I am giving before value what 99. Total how many times here? Totally 100 numbers are there. 100 numbers are there. It executes 100 times, guys. It executes 100 times. So output will be 100 times. If you want to see that number also, just I give the I. Every time number also display. Welcome to NTH 1. Welcome to NTH 2, 3. Like that you can see now. Right. All of you observe here, right? How many times came? 99. Starting from where? 0. I want start from 1 up to 100. Then we take what here? Start from 1 up to 100 means 101. 101. We can see, guys, simply how many times came here? 100 times came. That's all. All of you. Is it clear, guys, now? Right. So it's about, guys, all for loop. Okay, for loop. So guys, till now, if anybody, guys, if you have any doubts, let me know, all of you. Guys, till now, if anyone has any doubt, you can ask me a question, guys. So next guys, what we do? In this for loop, let us try to add if condition also guys. Inside for loop, let us try to add if condition and we will see more programs guys. Just it is only about the for loop without any if conditions or anything, only for loop, right? Only for loop. The next session what we do, inside the for loop, we try to use the if block guys, if, right? Okay, if block we'll see now. Like I give an example guys now only. Observe here. What is that means? Allow. So I want display 1 to 2 to 20 even numbers guys. 2 to 20 even numbers, okay, allow, right? Okay, so observe here, display even numbers from 2 to 20 guys, okay, 20. Here we can do with if without if also guys, okay. Suppose how for I in range of I can take starting from 2 ending 21 increment by 2, directly I am giving the 2, so no need of which one if condition. See, 2 to 20 all even numbers came guys, because in the range only we are giving by 2, right? Start from 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus up to 20 before guys, up to 20 before. This is what without any if condition. The same one guys, observe here. What do I do now? By taking the range for I in range of 1 to 21, that's all. 21 increment by 1 guys, increment by 1. This is the program. In this program it gives all numbers 1 to 20, all numbers 1 to 20, right? Now in this program I don't want generate odd numbers. I don't want generate the odd numbers. I want only even numbers only. Only even numbers only guys. Now tell me what first time a value generally 1, okay, 1. Now if that 1 modulus 2 equal to 0, then only display, that's all guys, then only display. If it is 0 means what, even number, right guys, that even number. Now guys, observe here, first time a value what 1, right? 1 modulus 2 equal to 0, true or false? False. So no printing. Next time a value what 2 modulus 2 equal to 0, it is true, that's why 2 is printing. Next time a value what 3 modulus 2 equal to 0, no, then no printing. So if condition is true, then only block executing guys. This is what a simple if statement. This is what here a simple if statement guys. Simple if means what? If condition is true, the block will execute. If condition is not true, the block will not execute. All of you generally in this case tell me what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, right? The numbers guys, and so on. Up to which number? Up to 20 guys. Okay, 20. First time a value what here? 1, right? 1 guys. 1 modulus 2. 1 modulus 0, no, not 0. So no printing. Next time a value what? 2, right? 2 guys. 2 modulus 2, how much? 0. 0 equal to 0, it is true. Then print 2. Next time a value what? 3. 3 modulus 2. 3 modulus how much? 1, right? 1. 1 equal to 0, true or false? False. That's why that 3 not printing. Next time a value what? 4. 4 modulus 2. 4 modulus 2 how much? 0. 0 equal to 0. Yes, it is true. Then it will print guys. Okay, print. Next time a value what? 5. 5 modulus 2 how much? 1. Remainder 1, right? 1 equal 0. False. So no printing. So 5 no printing. Like that every number it will modulus guys by 2. After modulus, if the remainder is 0, it will print. Remainder is 1, it won't print. It will not print, that's all. All of you. Okay. Now you can see here the answer is 2 to 20 even numbers. Suppose if I take the 1, if you take the 1 means odd numbers will come. Which numbers? Odd numbers will come, guys. Odd numbers will come. I told you already, if you do modulus 2, the remainder possibility is only 0 or 1 only. If I do modulus 3, the remainder possibility is 0, 1, 2. Those 3 only, guys. If you do modulus 4, the remainders are which one? Below 4, like 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 only. If I do by 2, 0 or 1 only. 0 means even number, 1 means odd number. 1 means odd number, that's all. Right? So like that, guys, like that we will do multiple examples in the next session, guys. All of you. Right. So anyone, guys, any doubts till now by using for loop? Right. So we start it, guys, now. I request again, if anybody not subscribed, please do it, guys. Okay. So that when you start the session, live session, you get notification automatically and you can join the session without missing. Right. Thanks so much, all of you guys. We'll meet Monday. Tomorrow Sunday no session. Monday same time, guys. Okay, same time.